Speakers, I, we, first person speakers, you, second person listeners, they only listen it. You, meeru. Then third person singular, he, she, it, Kirana, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one. Singular third person, they, the plural, they were people, plural. Third person, neither listeners nor speakers. Neither listeners nor speakers. What we adjust? Neither listeners, don't adjust it. Neither, this is very important. Neither listeners nor listeners, third person. Neither listeners nor speakers. Third person speakers అంటే I am speaking now. I am a speaker. I and we are speakers. You are listeners. Veerandaru, you are listening. That's why you are listeners. What is that? Second person. Third person is they don't listen. They are away from us. They are means they are neither listeners nor speakers. మా వాళ్ళు ఎన్నరో మాట్లాడు అర్థమైందా? దట్ ఈస్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్. నౌ యాడ్ దీస్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ బిఫోర్ దీస్ సెంటెన్సెస్. యాడ్ దీస్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ బిఫోర్ దీస్ సెంటెన్స్ రాసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ chose him the nicest shirt. They chose him the nicest shirt. You may also say they chose him the nicest shirt. Everybody chose him the nicest shirt. In that also you will have to speak. Came from Delhi. He came from Delhi. She came from Delhi. I came from Delhi. We came from Delhi. It came from Delhi. They came from Delhi. In that way use it. Congratulated her on her good work. Right? Congratulated her on close mass. Congratulated her on good work. Add this, didn't care to read it.